What's up, Money Geeks? Mr. V here. Welcome to another video. This is a continuation of our series on how to invest. So we started this series, we talked about the reasons why you want to invest. So if you haven't already checked out that video, I'm going to hook it up here. The next thing we talked about was your strategy and how much you should invest in the stock market. Again, I'm going to hook the video up here for you to go check it out. And then the last video that I posted about investing was kind of how to find the stocks that you want to invest in. So definitely go check that out. I'm going to hook it up here as well. In today's video, we're going to look at how you can invest $100 in the stock market. So I know you're probably thinking to yourself like, oh, Mr. V, I need thousands of dollars to invest. No, you can invest with as little as $1. So, but we're going to look at how you can invest $100. And hey, guys, stay tuned. Watch the video all the way to the end because I'm going to show you guys how you can even invest without any money down. I mean, like you can start investing with no money, but I'm going to show you guys at the end of the video. So there's two platforms that we're going to take a look at in terms of studying how to invest. Number one is Robinhood. Number two is Stockpile. I love both apps. They have both a web interface and they have mobile phone apps that you can actually use. They have their advantages and disadvantages. Robinhood is commission-free trading on that platform. Stockpile, you trade for I think about 99 cents per trade. The difference here is that with Robinhood, you can only buy a whole stock. When I say buy a whole stock, that means that, hey, if a stock is trading at $100, you only buy that stock at $100. On the other hand, Stockpile allows you to buy fractions of a share. So if a stock is trading at $100 a share, you can go in there and say, hey, I want $50 worth of that stock, and they'll give it to you. Which is awesome. So let's say you want to invest in Amazon. Amazon is currently trading at $1,600, but you can actually get maybe $100 worth of Amazon shares, which is awesome. So that's the difference between those two platforms. But in today's video, our focus is going to be Robinhood. So like I said, stay all the way to the end of the video because I'm going to show you how you can actually invest with no money down. So Robinhood platform is free to sign up. Click the link in the description below, and once you sign up, then I'm going to take you guys over to my computer here, and I'm going to show you what the interface looks like on the web, and then we'll just go through it, and I'll show you how you can pick the stocks and invest. And again, guys, I want you to understand that this first part of your investment is not for you to think like, hey, I'm going to double my $100 to $200. No, this is an opportunity for you to learn and understand how the stock market works, learn the trends and everything, so that by the time you go to invest $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, you know the ins and outs of the stock market. So, in a disclaimer, if you want to follow through this and actually invest that $100, make sure that it's money that you are willing to lose, so that if the market goes down, you're not screaming and calling Mr. V. So invest at your own risk. I am just simply giving you the information. So whatever you decide to do, whatever stocks you decide to buy, if it crashes, that's totally on you, not on me. So let's go over to my computer here, and I'm going to show you guys how to go about it. All right, guys. So here we are on my desktop. If you just go to Robinhood.com, create an account. So pretty much, log into the account. Once you have everything set up, it's going to be straightforward. And once you are in Robinhood, the interface looks something like this. So these are cryptocurrencies that I'm following, and this is information about your account. And so you're in here. So if you've done your homework, so let's take for instance that you have $100, and so under your account, what you have to do here. So again, like I said, this is my secondary account. So you go under banking information. You connect your bank account to Robinhood, and that's where you can transfer money into the account. And once you transfer that money, it's going to show you up here what your buying power is. So my buying power right now is $661. So I can go out and buy $661 worth of stocks. That's my buying power. My overall portfolio is $742. Once you connect in there, once you connect your bank account and transfer your $100, that's going to show up here, like I said, you can go and start searching. So let's take, for instance, that you want to invest in a company like Express. If I click that, Express is going to show up, and so it's going to give me some information here. So this is daily changes of Express, how the market has moved. If I want to see what the stock has been doing for a week, I can track that here. So you look at the numbers, it shows you what the stock has been doing. If you want to see that for a month, you can also track it here. So using like the last month, the stock has been down. That's why it's red. So the past 3 months, it can tell you what the stock has been doing. And so you do that for any stock that you really care about. So let's say, for instance, if you care about Pandora, so you come in here, you search your Pandora, you open it up. There we go. So this Pandora. So Pandora is right now at $8.61. That's where it's currently trading, and you see that it's moving. So once you identify the stocks that you care about, you just come here. You decide. You say, hey, I want maybe 2 shares of Pandora. I want 5 shares of Pandora, whatever amount that you feel comfortable with, based on within your $100. And again, like I said, guys, your first investment here is not for you to make a ton of money. It's for you to learn. You take this experiment and learn, so that when you want to invest, say something like $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, you know exactly where that money is going to go, so you don't go out there and lose money. So once you have everything in there, it will ask you to review your order. When you're happy with the order, you submit buy. Otherwise, you can also add to your watch list. So if you add to your watch list, it's going to track that stock for you. So that makes next you come back, you should be able to see it. Once you're done, you place the order, then it's going to show up in your queue. This is my watch list. So these are the stocks that I'm actually watching: Facebook and all the other stuff. Some of this stuff: Groupon, Sprint, Zinger. And so as you can see, it's very, very easy. Place that order, and then bam, you're good to go. You've invested your first $100 or your first $50. And my advice to you would be, instead of just putting all $100 in there, say split it in half and take $50 and buy some books that can definitely help you become a better investor. So the first book that I recommend is that you should buy The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by Jack Bogle. Next book that I want you to spend your money is be the smartest investment book you'll ever read. And so those are 2 books that you can buy and start reading while you play around with the stock market. So there you go, guys. That's how you can actually invest your first $100. And remember, I said at the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually invest for free. So when you click the link in the description below and sign up for Robinhood, you get a free stock. The value can range between $5 and $200. So if you're lucky, you can get $200 worth of a stock. But that's not it. So if you're not lucky, you get $5. That's fine. But then they have a referral program. If you refer people to use their product, they get a free stock and you get a free stock. So let's say you refer 10 people. That's $50 worth of stock that you can get just for referring 10 people. So you can definitely start investing without even putting any money down, because signing up for Robinhood is free. You get a free stock for signing up if you use the link in the description below. And then if you refer 10 people, you get $50 at minimum. You get $50 worth of stock to go. You can get even more than that if you refer more people. So definitely that's a strategy that you want to implement. So question for you guys: what is the first investment you ever did? How much did you start investing with? Let me know in the comment section. If you have any questions, definitely drop them in the comment section as well. And as always, stay motivated.